Uma muthenya wa mwanya kuri Makiri ma ciana 3,000 kuma kaunti-ini ya Nyeri aria magwikinyitie itũũra-ini ria IRURI MATHIRA kaunti-ini ya Nyeri kuria makunyitetwo ugeni MUCII kwa munini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri Rigathi wa GACHAGUA. Igongona riri rikuhumbitwo riri na nyimbo na mithako ya ciana. Munini wa president agituranira na ciana ici gutwarithia ngari ciao kunyororoka micuha-ini na ndanatigwo na thutha nginya guthea rwimbo. Mithako ino yothe irumirirwo ni mithemba ngurani ya irio iria cikuharĩrĩirio gutigirira ciana ici ni ciakenerera mambura ma Christmas na ikeno gitanahithika mothiũ-inĩ mao magitariria uria muthenya uyu uma wa mwanya.
And I want to wish Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all Kenyans and to all Kenyans' children. And I want you to enjoy yourselves and make sure you are not messing around. But the message is Christ is born and you are going to be great children.
Hindi ya igongona riri GACHAGUA ni atariirie makinya maria thirikari itacukitie kugacirithia sekta ya githomo ari hamwe na kwandika wira arutani.
Our Kenya is our young people, and that is why when we came to office, the president appointed the Presidential Working Party on educational reforms to reform CBC and other education programs to align them with what is good for our children. Again, young children, you know, our government has employed 56,000 teachers to make sure that the pupil-teacher ratio is improved. And therefore, we are going to have a very good education program for our children.
Oho akiuga bara ya kũhũrana na njohi cia ibango rĩu nĩ yambĩrĩirie gũciara matunda.
Vita yetu kama serikali dhidi ya pombe haramu na uvutaji wa bangi na madawa zingine za kulevya umeanza kuonesha matunda. As I have driven around all the way from Nairobi to here, I have seen many young children. I have seen others on the way. I am very encouraged. And I want to say that our fight has been successful. Before hapo tulikuwa na shida. We were almost losing an entire generation. And when we see children in great numbers, we know our future is secure.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma itũũra ria IRURI gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa MATHIRA kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri. Njĩtagwo Wahu wa Ngũgĩ.